In this video, we'll go ahead and add our token authentication to our sign up page. First of all, we import our useToken from our auth library. That's going to allow us to do our token stuff on the client side. Then we import Axios from the Axios library. It comes pre-installed with React version I'm using. Don't need to install any further dependency. So from there, we go ahead to create a new state variable. We'll call it token. This will hold the token that has been sent from the server to the client side on this page. Use token. I'm calling this function to generate a token for us. Then we'll go to our onSubmit async function, create a response variable that's going to await an Axios.post request to our sign up API. So we upload the email and password. So if the response is positive, we go ahead to create a structured token variable and assign it to the response. Furthermore, we go next and set token variable on this page to the response we get from the server, and we do a history.push to the parent page, which is a private route, and you need to be authenticated to be able to access that route. We head over to our private routes and authenticate our user here, so that this route will be able to know if a user is logged in or not. Import our useUser. It's going to check the application part of the browser to know if the token is being logged in. If not, it's going to redirect back to the login. So let's head right up and test this on the client side. Come to the sign up page, create a password, repeat the password, click sign up button. You see, it refers us to the parent page of the app. Implement this once later. We'll come to our application in our browser to confirm if the token is being created. Yes, look at it. That's our token, the header, payload, and signature.